साल में बीमारी, फिर तभी I experienced two kind of emotions. One is of sympathy and pity, and another is of hatred is too strong a word, but dislike, irritation by people. Then rejection at every stage of my life.
Tushar Goa was one of the delicate among the six.
He started school. So we got shocked. School with small children.
Tushar was very badly sick. And he was so sick that we all thought that probably he won't live anymore. Gradually, he recovered. Tushar, from there, he fought all his way up.
दिव्या मैम,
यस सर।
आप इसका स्टेटमेंट जो है 3 दिन का, इसका मेरे को ऑफिस में दीजिए करेंगे। एंड संगीता मैडम कमलेश जी से बात करके ऑडिटिंग का फाइनल करें शायद कल 9 o'clock। Nitanjali is my life, my dream, and Nitanjali is me. Now when I look back almost 53-54 years ago, I got children together, started teaching them, interacting, organizing plays, dances, music, sports, Anand Mela, gardening scheme. I kept on doing it. I honestly never had any ambition, no vision, nothing. I don't know. I kept on doing what I felt like doing, what I enjoyed doing, and I loved doing.
I'll take you way back to 1963. When we were very young, all children used to play at different places, different games. So he came up with an idea that why not we have one club where we all can get together and form something and play in unison like one big family.
That time the children would be very attached to me. As I started growing, they started growing. So it was children's club, then it was junior club, then it was youth club, then it was Nitanjali.
And that is how the idea of Century Children's Club came up.
And that group went on growing till it culminated into Nitanjali.
I actually never thought dance as dance. It was me. I don't know if people can, how could you be a dancer? ऐसे मतलब क्या होता है? I love dance, dance loves me, I am dance, Tushar is dance, and I am dance. That's it.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3।
तुम आकर कब लौट गई मुझे ये नहीं खबर। पवन बोल उठा, आए थे तुम, पर मैं मान नहीं पाया। समय कहा था मुझको तुम आ रही हो, मन कहा था मुझको मेरी खुशी तुम हो। खुशी में खोया मैं, भुला दिया समय को। कोयल गाई थी मिलन के गीत, झूम उठा था हृदय, रिम झिम बरखा बोली। This is our family photograph think it was in 1961. I was around 12 years old. That's my father sitting at the center. He was the works manager of Century Rayon, and that's my mother. And it's the same house that I was there the other day.
He came from Bhatanagar to Kalyan when my father shifted his service to Century Rayon. My father was the boss man there, and we were staying in an exclusive bungalow where most of the children from there used to come to our house, where Tushar had a field day by starting his dramas and dancing programs with the boys and girls of Century Rayon.
All my brothers had gone to St. Thomas's School from Bhatanagar, which is 9 kilometers away in English. But for me, a separate school was established by my father, and I was brought up there. There, Mrs. Onima Roy, my teacher, whatever I am today is my father, my mother, and Mrs. Onima Roy.
जब मुझे मिस्टर बागजी चौधरी जी से पता चला कि हमारे ही बंगले जिस बंगले में हम रहते हैं वहाँ पे उनका बचपन गुजरा और वो यहाँ पर एक बार आना चाहते हैं, उनके कुछ लम्हे अपने में ताज़ा करना चाहते हैं, तो बहुत मुझे खुशी हुई.
I've just gone nostalgic, you know. So many years have passed. It's 63 to 72. I would be here with the children, almost 400 children of the colony. So the children would perform here, in that lawn, this lawn, that lawn, and I would manage. And my parents would be so supportive because I never used to be keeping well, so they wouldn't allow me to go out much. So I would do things here.
Tushar gradually tended to move to artistic ventures.
Tushar, who single-handedly created this club like a professional body, and he was the first chairman, and the club was named as Senray Youth Club. After the successful running of Senray Youth Club, Tushar continued in the same vein and created Nitanjali.
He picked up, and since then he carried on.
Performing arts gives me a lot of solace. You know, there have been times at 5 o'clock in the morning I would go to and I would have the music and I would keep on dancing. Even in the middle of the night I would keep on dancing.
So once this club came into existence, and Tushar Guha, as you all know, is very good at convincing people. So the parents were first convinced and then the children. And once the group started mingling with each other, then there was no distinction between the hierarchy that is normally existed in all the colonies. All became one big family.
He had the capacity to bring out the best in everybody, and extremely good administrator, organizer from a young age. How old is he? 18, 19?
तुम सुर छंद हो, सुर में खोया मैं, भुला दिया समय को. फूल कह रहा था तुम ही महक हो, चांद कह रहा था तुम चांदनी हो, चांदनी में खोया मैं, भुला दिया समय को. तुम आकर कब लौट गई मुझे ये नहीं खबर.
And later on he acted as Gautam Buddha, and he performed so well that Buddha Society from Calcutta all stood up to clap him because they thought maybe Buddha has himself come. He was so good in acting.
We used to have squabbles as a childhood brothers because I never liked him always dancing. I wanted him also to play with me.
I think I was never taken seriously. It would be something, my nickname is Mona. Okay, Mona is dancing, singing, I don't know kya karega. So they were supposed to be the achievers and I was not, but I was the popular one. Because on stage, I would get the accolades. People would love me for that. It was something like this.
He is very sensitive, no? So, and we were all hardcore boys. So 5 were the other side and only 1 on this side. So, but at the same time, over a period of time now, we have all learned to respect him.
Nityanjali is 54-year-old. We started in 1963. So a 50-year-old lady, I would say, because Dr. Guha calls Nityanjali his first daughter.
400 मुलं आज शिक्षण घेत आहेत, तर ते कलेमध्ये घेत आहेत. म्हणजे कथ्थक आहे, भरतनाट्यम आहे, व्होकल आहे, हिंदुस्थानी संगीत आणि वेस्टर्न डान्स आहे. या सगळ्यामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त मुलांना शिक्षण घेता यावं म्हणून फी खूप नॉमिनल आहे आणि म्हणजे 100 रुपये फीमध्ये आम्ही इकडे क्लास घेतो. आठवड्यातनं एकदा क्लास असतो.
Nityanjali there are 2-3 things. Nityanjali has too many things, but one of this is performing arts, where students enroll to learn Bharatanatyam, Kathak, and classical singing, which is under Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. So they do Visharad, Alanka, that is graduation and all that.
नितंजलि बेसिकली मैंने ज्वाइन किया था डांस सीखने के लिए, लेकिन उसके अलावा मैंने बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो नृत्यांजलि में देखी और उन्हीं में आगे बढ़ना पसंद किया. स्टार्ट. ताम 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 किटे तक तक कुंतरी रिद्दित ताम दीम 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 किटे तक दिक कुंतरी रिद्दित तई ताम 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 किटे तक. मेरे पास बच्चे बहुत छोटे ग्रुप से बहुत बड़े तक है, मतलब एज ग्रुप लिमिट नहीं है. मिनिमम लिमिट है 5 साल, उसके बाद अबाव कितने भी आ सकते हैं. जो न सीखे हुए हैं, जिनको डांस के बारे में कुछ मालूम नहीं है, ऐसे लोग भी आते हैं. कुछ लोग आते हैं जिनको मालूम है बेसिक और फिर ज्वाइन करते हैं. अभी हाल ही में हमने NCPA में एक शो किया था जिसमें मेरे भरतनाट्यम के स्टूडेंट्स ने परफॉर्म किया था एंड बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया था लोगों ने उसके लिए, जिसके लिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. ताम 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 किड़ तक तक कुंतरी रिद्दित ताम तई.
Specialize not just in folk dances of a particular state, but we specialize in folk dances of the entire country. So when one sees us perform, it's about getting a feel of what India stands for as a whole. So that flavor is there.
And we have Goa and Andhra Pradesh, followed by Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and then God's own land, Kerala. We now depict the 7 classical dance styles of India. The first. And that is India.
Then there is Sunday class where they learn from me, which is not an examination, but these people learn from. So there are students and there are members. But there could be students who are also members. So they learn from me. In the Sunday classes, they are learning Western, they are learning folk dances of India, because I have spent more than 30 years in different parts of India to pick up folk dances.
Sunday class, as I said, is his empire.
क्योंकि हमारा एक्चुअल जो ग्रूमिंग है वो संडे क्लास में होता है.
Where for the last 53 years, Dr. Guha has been teaching free of cost. There is no monetary aspect to it. So Sunday class is where we teach music, we teach drama, we teach dance. But more importantly, it's about values. It's about grooming the youth.
Sunday class is the base of our performances all over India as well as abroad.
संडे क्लास में आर्टिस्ट तैयार होते हैं जो कि फिर नृत्यांजलि के बैनर को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं एज अ परफॉर्मर। तो यहाँ पर आर्टिस्ट तैयार किए जाते हैं, यहाँ पर हमारे जो कोरियोग्राफी है वो की जाती है संडे क्लासेस में।
It has no time restriction. It starts of course at 2 but can go on till 7, 8, 9 as long as you want.
This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which I composed in 2005. There are 4 stages of Nimai. So finally I am the Chaitanya, the spiritual person. That's the issue. This is somewhere where Anando Loke, that is Tagore song, opening dance, puja dance, me and Asha Kachwa, now she's Asha Bharti. She's now settled in Agra. This is way back, I think my daughter Ananda was about 17 years old. Me and she, we were partners. I used to be the hero and she used to be the heroine. This is Oh My Darling. Actually, Oh My Darling I had composed in 1963, and in those days I used to make the children of Centurion perform. But much later, it is I who, when in the professional stages, it is I'm still today I'm acting as Mr. Wise. Mr. Wise is an old man and he suddenly wants to get married, and his maid, one housekeeper, wants to marry him. He refuses, but finally ends up marrying her and he faints. It's a very hilarious skit. There has been a time in my life where I have been invited by different associations, to dance and to act. Then I had many landmarks, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was done in 2005, I think. Yeah, 2005. Where Ranu Mazumdar scored the music, and the entire script was written by me, voiceover was mine, and I also acted as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
हमारे चैतन्य महाप्रभु क्योंकि बंगाली थे तो उसमें कीर्तन होता है, भजो गोविंद भजो गोविंद भजो गोविंद ऐसे करके होता है। तो वो संगीत में जब सितार का एक पीस मैंने कंपोज किया तो उसमें वो चैतन्य महाप्रभु नाचते हैं, और उसी लिए वो नृत्य करने के लिए ही वो गौरांग महाप्रभु भी उनको बंगाली में कहा जाता है। तो उसमें वो इतना डूब गए क्योंकि वो खुद चैतन्य महाप्रभु के कैरेक्टर हैं।
It has always been there in me because I was very spiritual, as I said, because of Mrs. Anima Roy. So I've always wanted to do it. And so this thought remained with me for more than 23 years. And then I started writing the script from somewhere in 2004. And I engaged late Mrs. Sandeep Chakraborty. I asked him to do further more research. Then I got all the Chaitanya Charitamrita from ISKCON, and this is Gauriya Math, and I studied all this. I study, as I said, I'm a very avid reader. Then I put down everything and made it into 1.5 hour dance drama. And I used all the Bengali songs, but the dialogues are in Hindi, and another CD's dialogues are for English, for international performances. And I put Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in 4 stages as a small child, and then it grows, and finally me. I had to work a lot with all 4 because ultimately they are culminating into the final role of the sannyasi which I was portraying. So these people I had to, and it was a very difficult thing.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु में मैंने जो मेन चैतन्य के ऊपर जो पूरी स्टोरी दिखाई गई है उनका 3rd phase मैंने किया था, and 4th was of course Dr. Guha.
When he was doing this, I think he was dancing with Vishnu Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nimai had 2 wives. So it was becoming, like an how a day-to-day young couple. So I said it cannot happen because when you're spiritual, the physical element doesn't come.
उन्होंने मतलब हर एक आर्टिस्ट में से चैतन्य महाप्रभु के लिए क्या इमोशंस चाहिए स्पिरिचुअलिटी के साथ साथ में क्या डिपिक्ट होना चाहिए वो सर ने हमसे सभी से कराया.
Even the marriages were spiritual marriages, exactly. See, like Ramakrishna Paramahansa and Ma Sarda Devi, they were spiritual marriages. So that had to be portrayed. Romanticism could be there, but romance cannot be there. That would be the difference. 2005 I had another landmark is Geet Ramayan.
Geet Ramayan I did as a Ram, and it was staged in Shivaji Park, I mean before 36,000 audience. And Marathi film actress Madhura Velankar, she was Sita.
Specifically with Anil Singh, because he's the kind of a hero material. What you call this romantic hero kind of thing. Like when he did Geet Ramayan, for Ram again I still remember for when he was performing with Sita, it was becoming very, what is that, ordinary romantic thing. So I told him, look, it has to be a spiritual romance.
But yes, it's all because of Dr. Guha that I could do it. And then, of course, people appreciated it. It was covered by various channels also. Newspapers, they all were talking about us.
Geet Ramayan is something like to Maharashtrians what Tagore is to Bengalis. And it was Mr. Vinod Tawde, the present education minister. He had organized this, the 50th year of Geet Ramayan, and it was the first time Geet Ramayan of Sudhir Phadkeji's was converted made into dances. And I was blessed that I was chosen to be the choreographer. I'm a Bengali. I don't even speak Marathi so fluently, but I think they saw it and they liked it, and that's how I did it. And the kind of blessings I received, I remember as it ended, Daji Bhatavdekarji and Chandrakant Gokhleji, doyens of Marathi theatre. They came in, I bowed down to pay my respect. They put their hand on me and in Marathi they said, "Tumi Maharashtracha Gaurav ahe," means you are pride of Maharashtra.
Shanti Shanti Muni Vanchiti Tighevo Akar Tighevo Akar Trivar Jaya Jayakar Rama Trivar Jaya Jayakar Trivar Jaya Jayakar Trivar Jaya Jayakar.
I believe that I'm a very good cook, and जो आज तक मेरे खाना खाते रहे हैं, they also keep on saying that I'm pretty good. Everything, we are non-vegetarians, so I make all non-vegetarian dishes, I make vegetarian dishes, but I'm very specialized in a kind of a paratha that is made in Dhaka. Cooking requires a lot of imagination, and artist things have to be imaginative. Both require a lot of experimentation, so there's a lot of scope. My wife, yes, she is very supportive and I am very supportive of her. There are a lot of things that sometimes I take a lot of suggestions from her. She tells me, let's do it like this, that. But there is another side to it. We are 6 brothers. We don't have a sister, and we were always helping Ma for everything. Not only me, all my brothers. At least 3-4 of us are very, very good cook. Roti, meat. ज़माने में ऐसे ही हुआ करता था ना कि बाबा माँ सब लोग गए, सब देखा, तो इट इज़ द रिचुअल कि वो लड़की को गाना गाना है तो ये गाना गाई, फिर उनके पेरेंट्स से बातचीत हुआ, आ गया घर पे आके इधर आके बैठा, मेरे पिताजी ने मुझे पूछा तुम्हें लड़की पसंद है, मैं हाँ बोलने के पहले उन्होंने बोला मुझे पसंद है, तो शादी हो गई. हमारे ज़माने में हमारा कोई ओपिनियन तो सवाल नहीं उठता था ना. शादी के दूसरे दिन हमारे में एक सेकंड मैरिज भी होता है, तो उसमें भाग ऐसा सब फेरने लेना, एंड आई एम वेरी फास्ट. मैं थोड़ा भागने लग गया, इसका हाथ पकड़, कितना टाइम लग रहा था, तो सबने बोला ये क्या कर, मैं बोला ख़त्म ही करना है. और फिर जब सुहाग रात के दिन तो सजाने का, तो मैंने आई स्टार्टेड ड्रेसिंग अप, उसको ये करके बाल बना. आई एम वेरी गुड एट ऑल दिस. तो नेचुरली शी वाज स्कैंडलाइज्ड कि ये क्या हो रहा है कि जो दूल्हा है वो मुझे सजा रहे हैं. I feel I am not romantic, she feels she is not romantic. She says I am very romantic, but she is not romantic. तो पता नहीं कौन romantic है क्या है.
He is very romantic.
है ना?
As a father and a teacher, to me sometimes, that just overlaps. But as a child, I have remembered that he used to be quite protective about, with whom I was or the sort of friends that we had.
नीतांजलि मेरा जान है. अगर पूछा जाए तो मैं बोलता हूँ नीतांजलि मेरी बड़ी बेटी, अनन्या मेरी छोटी बेटी. She addresses me as sir in the office. I address her as Ananya ma'am. But at home we are again father and daughter. And as a dancer, तो she has become a topmanship. मेनका अवार्ड है मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी का काला घोड़ा कभी डांस क्यूरेटर है और इससे ज़्यादा और क्या अचीवमेंट होगा तो टॉप मोस्ट पोजीशन पे चली गई कब तक. I am into singing, acting, drama, everything. तो वो बचपन से ही हर चीज़ों में रही है ना. I was very चुलबुली and very responsible in the house. मतलब जबकि मैं 5th हूँ बट घर के सभी responsibility usually मैं ही ले लेता था. ऐसा टाइप का था.
Whenever I'd be alone, feeling lonely, he would come and sit with me. He had lot of empathy and very affectionate, extremely loving.
And he was mild nature, soft spoken. गुस्सा तो होता ही नहीं था. गुस्सा हम लोग का सामने चलता भी नहीं था. But he used to irritate all the brothers. And we did take our revenge. But that's it. But brotherly love was never lost.
So I was there in Aurangabad. I forget the name of the hotel. In those days there used to be trunk calls and no mobiles and even TV wouldn't be there in the room. So I finished the lectures and around 7:38 I think I was sitting in the lounge. Marathi Batmiya ho raha. Batmiya means the news was happening. Suddenly Naresh Pukale was with me. He says, "Uncle, see auntie." I say, "It's my wife doing something." So I tried and called up the trunk call. She said, "Yes, you got the bravery award."
ये 89 की बात है. उस टाइम कुछ ऐसा हुआ था कि गणेश फेस्टिवल था और स्टेज के ऊपर कुछ मूर्तियाँ रखी हुई थी. जब हम लोग विसर्जन के लिए गए थे गणपति के तो मूर्तियाँ कुछ टूटी हुई थी. हाथ बीत वगैरह मूर्तियों के टूटे हुए थे. हमने देखा कि मूर्ति का ये हाल है, मतलब ऐसा टूटा फूटा हो चुका है. तो हम लोग थोड़े असमंज में हो गए कि किसने किया होगा.
उसको लेके I would not like to name the political leaders, but the local political leaders came and started making lot of halla gulla, inciting people कि दुकान जला दो, ये कर दो.
क्योंकि हम लोग मूर्ति को हाथ नहीं लगा सकते थे. तो पुलिस स्टेशन में हम लोग ने जाकर कंप्लेंट दी है.
My bungalow is 3 stories. So मेरे bedroom used to be on the 2nd floor. From there, this road is seen everything. After midnight, the deputy commissioner of police comes and requests me, sir, there is a lot of this is hangama going on. You need to please come and see.
तो चले गए उधर कुछ दंगा हंगामा हुआ. पुलिस लोग आया, उनको बुलाया. मेरे को माना, मेरे को तो डर लगा. मेरा हस्बैंड को पुलिस पकड़ के लेके गया.
मैं बाहर आके देखता हूँ कि 400 people with open sword, soda water bottle चिल्ले कर रहे हैं. ये साइड में देखता हूँ 100 हेलमेटेड पुलिस बंदूक लेके खड़े.
तो सर ने वो मतलब उस टाइम जो पोजीशन था, जो माहौल था, वो पुलिस लोगों के साथ मिलकर एक अच्छा माहौल तैयार करके उस घटना को वही दबा दिया.
अब I took the moral responsibility, feeling that कुछ भी हो जाए मैं तो अध्यक्ष हूँ, तो मैं बीच में खड़ा हो गया. They gave me a speaker. So I started talking to this people कि आपको लाज आना चाहिए. देवा आपका है, उनका और आपका अध्यक्ष कौन है? मैं. किसने बनाया मुझे? आपने. तो ऐसा pep talk I started doing. And as I started speaking, I started seeing one by one they have started putting down their swords, soda water bottles. And by 3 o'clock, they dispersed. They started dispersing. So I told the police, I said, take away these statues, put it in the truck and take it away. Take it away so that there is nothing else to inside.
फिर जाके उनका बातचीत में वो लोग सब बंद हुआ और तभी उन लोगों ने तुषार जी को बार बार बधाई और उसका बाद ही उनका ब्रेवरी अवार्ड.
Then she told me briefly when I came back and I saw the certificate. It feels nice.
So my father was always very clear that he would marry a lady who was related in the art field, and my mother is a brilliant singer.
क्या हुआ तो मैंने पेरेंट्स को बोल दिया था कि एक ही चीज़ चाहिए, मुझे कुछ ये नहीं है, शी डज नॉट इवन हैव टू बी अ ग्रेजुएट, शी इज़, बट मैंने बोला वो भी नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि अनयूजुअली गुड लुकिंग एकदम फेयर, ऐसा मेरे को कुछ नहीं, बट शी शुड लव डांस म्यूजिक एंड एटलीस्ट मेरे साथ हो. बट आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट, शी इज़ अ ब्रिलियंट सिंगर. ये हमारे घर की परंपरा रही है कि हम लोग शाम के टाइम पे my father, mother and the family would sit and sing. So, but since she has been the main singer, तो हम लोग for our parents we used to sing together. And हम दोनों बहुत बाद में जैसे अनन्या बड़ी होती गई वो भी ज्वाइन करती गई, जैसे अभी आप देखो कि मेरी ग्रैंड डॉटर भी हमको ज्वाइन कर रही है. तो we used to have lot of टैगोर का गाना या patriotic songs, national songs, all Bengali songs. जैसे कि एक हम लोग धनु धन्य करके सुनाते बंगाली में. 2, 3, start.
ধান্যে পুষ্পে ভরা আমাদের বসুন্ধরা, তাহার মাঝে আছে দেশের সকল দেশের সেরা, সে যে স্বপ্ন দিয়ে তৈরি, সে যে স্মৃতি দিয়ে ঘেরা, এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি, সকল দেশের রানী সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি. চন্দ্র সূর্য গ্রহ তারা কোথায় এমন উজ্জ্বল ধারা, কোথায় এমন খেলে তড়িৎ এমন কালো মেঘে, ও তার পাখির ডাকে ঘুমিয়ে উঠি, পাখির ডাকে জেগে, এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি, সকল দেশের রানী সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি.
In the field of education, Dr. Guha has done tremendous work, and the contribution has been absolutely immense. So he became the first person with a doctorate in the subject of personality development.
But because of the students, finally Conference on Fine Arts, Education and Personality Development happened in 1993.
On behalf of Confit 93 and Nityanjali, I welcome you all to this week-long conference on the arts, education and personality development.
The then Secretary of Education, Government of Maharashtra, Mrs. Kumud Bansal.
It was in fact a pleasant meeting with Tushar Guha about 8 months ago, when he had come to meet me and he explained the efforts of the institution and how they are promoting the concept of personality development amongst children.
She joined us, and then rest is history. Then personality development became this, because I had research on utilizing the elements of performing arts in day-to-day life along with understanding of psychology to have a complete personality.
Since then, the scope has been immense, and I remember him saying in 1993 for Confeps, where he said that every dog has his day. And
today's mine, and that's the dog started barking, and I think still barking.
Suddenly all the doors open.
Keep this youth busy with healthy activities, and what more can there be than Nityanjali's program, which is healthy, which is creative, and which is something which can bring pride to the people who will come out of it.
Today we have special personality development course, level 1, level 2, level 3, and it's packed houses. But one thing is very important: anybody who applies cannot do the course. I personally interview, because my simple funda is Only people who want to do it should do it, because I don't do it for money. It's my passion and my puja. Whatever I research, I want to give it to the world. So only those who want to take it with the respect it deserves, I want to give it to them.
Okay, that's one version. I will always say, give reasons for everything. It starts from, because I never...
SPDC 1, which is the foundation and which was the real initial research of Dr. Guha of the 32 years, is building up the individual into such a fashion where he is able to relate to each and every person in that person's thought process.
You genuinely feel for, जो को SPDC 1 में मैंने बोला था. See, everybody feels दूसरे किसी केस में दो चीज होता है दुख में, या तो pity and sympathy या तो hatred.
मी इकडे पर्सनॅलिटी डेव्हलपमेंट तो जो कोर्स आहे आमचा स्पेशल पर्सनॅलिटी डेव्हलपमेंट कोर्स तो कोर्स करायला आले. मला कोणीही कोणत्याही प्रकारचा प्रश्न विचारला किंवा परीक्षा या एका गोष्टीची मला खूप भीती वाटायची. म्हणजे मला आठवते की जेव्हा मी इथे आले 1996मध्ये त्यावेळेला नेहमी डॉक्टर तुषार गुहाजी काय करतात, इथे जे येतात त्यांचा स्वतः इंटरव्ह्यू घेतात आणि मग ॲडमिशन मिळते कोर्सला. आणि मला कळलं की ते माझा इंटरव्ह्यू घेणार आहेत, तर त्या इंटरव्ह्यूला मी एक शब्दही बोलू नाही शकले. मी फक्त रडतच होते की मला कोणतरी प्रश्न विचारणार आणि मी सांगायचं. आता मजेचा पार्ट म्हणून सांगते की आता 20 वर्षानंतर अशी स्थिती आहे की डॉक्टर तुषार गुहा सगळ्यांना सांगतात हीच ती मुलगी जी रडायची, आता ती बोलते आणि आम्ही ऐकतो. तर माझा हा जो चेंज आहे हा चेंज या संस्थेमुळे झाला.
SPDC level 2 prepares people for counseling. Now, actually speaking, I believe her adult should be a counselor. Parents be, teachers be, boss be. Matlab, what is counseling? दूसरों को समझना.
I can see that prim and proper look is there. So very methodical, very systematic, very meticulous, and
तो SPDC 2 ये सिखाती है, क्योंकि अगर मैं काउंसलर हूँ तो मेरे सामने जो मेरे मेंटी है, मैं मेंटर हूँ, तो मेरा भी बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज गोइंग टू ऊज आउट समथिंग, सो दैट इज परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स. मेरा भी फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन इज गोइंग टू, मेरी वॉइस विल एक्सप्रेस, मेरी वे ऑफ टॉकिंग विल एक्सप्रेस. सो दैट वाज इट दे वर डूइंग. प्लस दे वर ट्राइंग टू देयरफॉर, लाइक आई टॉक अबाउट फेशियल कंटूर्स. ज्योग्राफी में कंटूर्स होते हैं. आई कॉल इट फेशियल, दैट मीन्स आईज. देयर आर 5: नोज, लिप्स, cheeks and eyebrow and the forehead. These are 5.
So in personality development, his research has been accepted by the government. He has been training teachers in Assam. He has been training teachers across the country.
I tried, to be more listening, but I didn't.
Now when you go to school, you get 15 minutes. And in that 15 minutes, the child and the parents are present. So you cannot go within that 15 minutes. आपको जो भी करना है.
People who do SPDC 1 learn this art, and as you evolve and do SPDC 2, then you get into analyzing the person for his issues, his requirements, his concerns, and what is he looking for from you.
So many students of mine have learned this, they're practicing it. One day they will become experts.
She is a person who has to be at it all the time. This break, becoming a homemaker and these things, they have taken effort. It takes a toll in majority of this kind of ladies. These are women who are achievers oriented.
Then there's a level 3 for people who are going to be in the public life. By public life, I don't mean only in the government, or for people who are really, dealing with people and are speaking to people a lot. And even when I talk about SPDC 1, people often say that why do you do it over 16 days? Why can I not finish it in sort of 3 days? And khatak, done. It's so much more easier. There's a particular reason there why we do not do it over 3 days continuous and we spread it over 16 days is because the individual himself or herself will be able to see the evolution.
And here, very beautiful thing that we have learnt again is about multi-dimensional approach in education. And first time when we met him, he would talk to us with his open arms and like a dancing person, and we used to wonder that what is this man going to tell us all about. But then we realized that he talks about this MDE, which is a multi-dimensional approach in education, and that is with music, with arts, performing arts basically, with sports, academics, and everything goes hand in hand. When he says A leader should be an actor and a genuine one. A leader has to know all these things. He has to be a person who should have an idea about music, about dance, about sports. When you have that idea, you are able to deal with your faculty in a very different manner.
Start. How much you can
एसपीटीसी में नॉर्मली वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन एंड एक्सप्रेशन के लिए ऑफ कोर्स मैं रहती हूँ, लेकिन उसके अलावा मेडिटेशन भी करवाना है तभी मैं रहती हूँ, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम लोग रिदम यूज़ करते हैं, जो रिदमिक काउंटिंग है हमारा, वो मेडिटेशन में यूज़ होता है। वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन में बेसिकली हम लोग सरगम यूज़ करते हैं, जो सारे गामा पध निसा है वो यूज़ करते हैं, जिससे आवाज़ तैयार होती है, क्योंकि गले पे प्रेशर आता है तो ऑफ कोर्स आवाज़ तैयार होती है, और तैयार होने के कारण उसका जो उतार चढ़ाव है आवाज़ का, वो हम लोग ज़्यादा अच्छे से बता सकते हैं।
Program undertaken by Nityanjali is one of the most significant one in the process of development of a human resource, and I feel we are very fortunate that we could have an association with a program like this.
After 1993, somewhere in 2006, I felt the need that multidimensional approach to education must come in.
We then moved into education, where we initially started catering to the heads.
It's always important as teachers that when we impart knowledge, we give it to the children, to the students, the meaning of each component.
Because again, very strongly we believe that everything has to start from the top, and then automatically things at the bottom are taken care of.
So I called a conclave. I selected a lot of teachers, including the then chairman of Maharashtra SSC board, Mrs. Vijayashila Sardesai. It so happened when I did the conference, she was the deputy director of vocational guidance. So there's a lot of interactions, okay? So we all, and I proposed that this thing can happen, and I said, koi paisa kisi ko dena nahi hai. It will be an open forum for principal. Any principal can just fill up a form and have it.
So we started training the heads of schools, the inspectors, and then moved on to taking up training for teachers, for students, and then parents. The journey was that way.
Open Forum for Principals is an initiative by Nityanjali where he is the chairperson. But the interesting part is that the whole office of Open Forum for Principals is run by principals of schools across the country.
The rules which had to be updated about in the field of education, be it state board, be it CBSE, be it international board, they update us with all the rules as well as what can be done in the field of education. It's the duty of the principals to carry out these to the teachers so that the teachers in turn help the students for their welfare.
So this is something which will strengthen the hands of the principal. So Madam Grace Pinto has been one person of the Ryans and St. Xavier's group of schools who has been with Dr. Guha. Dr. Guha is also part of the Ryan School team and the advisory board, and she has been on board with this and supported this initiative.
He has a target audience as an educationist. He is an educationist, and I being heading a school and also heading Open Forum for Principal, which was initiated, which was a baby of Dr. Tushar Guha. He took the initiative and he started this forum for the principals, and it was basically to to enhance the leadership skills, empower the principals.
It so happened that with Open Forum for Principals, we always are evolving with new concepts and things, and generally education is what we see what happens in the society. So because we need to know what is the need of the society. So this was the progressive part of Dr. Guha.
It is not important that or compulsory it should be related to the student. Sometimes it is parent-teacher relationship also. Sometimes it is how to handle the otherwise able kids.
And today we strongly are promoting parent education because we feel that they need to collaborate with schools. Schools are not the centers for being educated. They are the centers for learning. But what education is from the parents. what culture you follow at home is what the child will carry forward.
These days, students needs to understand how to behave. And Dr. Tushar Guha's vision is very clear. He does not talk about only to teach girls.
Yes, the whole thing was first promote the girl child. Let girl child be taught. Let girl child come out. Then they thought that the society requires protection for the girl child. So again, that concept was it. Teach the girl child what is safety, how to carry herself around, what she should do. But Dr. Guha came out with this theory. It's not the girl. Whom is she protecting herself from? She's protecting herself from boys or from the male part of it. So who needs to be even taught is the male child.
Sir has been speaking about boy child education for more than 15 years now. So because we always speak about girl child education, which is good, but the fact that the atrocities are being committed by whom?
The root cause. I think with children it is more like a warm and you have to give yourself entirely to children. Be like them, think like them. So you have to come down to their level of thinking.
Physical, unrestrained.
Yeah.
But at the same time, the principal now has to get equipped that the role is no longer sitting in that chair and only addressing one dimension. It has to be multi-dimensional.
What is the strength of this school? 700. 700 बच्चों को हम कहाँ ला सकते हैं? वो 700 को क्या 700?
The OFP has travelled to Adelaide in South Australia. We have travelled to Basel, and we have travelled to Canada for exchange programs, and the outside forums internationally, they have started recognizing us, and I have my CA is in the process of registering that, and it will be the first registered organization in India, Open Forum for Principal, and no school has to pay a single paisa anywhere. All we provide a budget that Nityanjali will be spending.
The principals as well, IAS officers, it's been with NCERT as well. So that has been somewhere, that he has been able to reach out and put forward his thought. And the brilliant part is that it has been accepted.
Chunautis does not mean only your annual sports day, or that is not Chunauti. Chunauti is every day. How do you handle parents?
He figured that if I am doing something good and if I am finding that reaching out to people, then what can I do for it to sustain over n number of years, over 40 years, 50 years, 100 years, that I can take it forward. Because he's developed a team of people, a group of faculty who have been, groomed into taking that work forward.
Whatever he has done for Ryan children, Ryan teachers, and even for the Ryan parents, the workshop what he has conducted, especially about mindful training, I think it is commendable. Social awareness, what he has brought in to our children, it is remarkable. He's a wonderful speaker. You just ask him to come and address our teachers on development, mind, spiritual, and also how to look after the family, how to keep that bonding, how to bring up the children, even parenting. All these things he has really completed, training our people, and also I hope he will continue his journey in the coming years, not only for the Ryan Group, but all over the nation and international.
Then I started involving other people and taking them with me for corporate trainings. But by 1998, I officially made Nityanjali Management Services because I started finding the demand was too much.
See, in Nityanjali, when you join in, they normally introduce you into the education sector first. Okay, so you go as a faculty to schools, then you graduate to training teachers and principals and parental counseling or workshops, and later on you graduate into corporate workshops.
Dr. Goa is with us. For you is a trainer, but for me is a guru, because I am also taking training from him. I don't feel shy because he is associated with us from last 15 years, and good time, bad time, every time he is with us.
Unless and until it will not happen. If Mr. Basu, if you remember, I had discussed with you, I'd like to share certain things here. Mr. Basu, tell me, seeing this suggestion comes to me, so immediately I prepare, but बाद में ना वो होता नहीं है. And today, why am I sharing this? Because he shared it himself, and I respect you for this. I mean, it is very difficult to owned up that you had a drawback.
And he did not want Nrityanjali to be an NGO that has to ask people for money. So he said, we will earn our own money from our own skill sets, and we will use it in doing the good work that we actually believe in. So corporate training was a way of ensuring that Nrityanjali had a revenue stream.
It has, in a way, helped us fulfill our dreams, because the money that is generated or the income that is generated from this particular department is used for all our social activities.
And when you look at the corporate side of life, soft skills training is not something that is really valued or even understood. And with Sir's work, with perceptions of personality as a backbone, he was able to create modules and courses for soft skill development in corporate houses.
1, 2, 3, start. Click, 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 turn, click.
First of all, we were asked to accompany him and observe. Yes, so we didn't just observe Sir or the content, but we also observed the participants and try to gauge from their reactions how they were relating to the trainings, and to gauge how much of it they are grasping, what is the thing that they like most. So we were asked to observe every little thing that occurs within the conference hall.
With your improvement, which was accepted, external it was now these amendments.
And then second was, of course, the content is very important, his delivery, when time managing the presentation or time management of the particular delivery, that was very important. Like what do we do before the break, what do we do after the break, what do we do when the participants have just come in and trying to settle down, or how to conduct the finer nuances throughout the presentation. That was what we were asked to pick up first.
So as I was saying, when we design corporate training programs, each program that we design is very unique. Though as I said, the name could be same because names sound good, so they need to be repetitive, but the treatment, the design, the flow is unique at all given times. Because here again we look at the design in 25 different ways, because when a training program happens there are 25 participants or sometimes 30 participants. So the mirror of how to look at each individual independently and how to offer that program individually by being in a group is what the faculty is trained into.
Because from Nrityanjali we train across in the corporate, so we train at the corporate level when they're 35 or when they're 40 years old. On time management, we train them on communication skills. And Dr. Guha very strongly believes that why do I need to wait till I'm 35 or 40 to have these skills in my life, because by then one has already, traveled a lot in one's journey and the professional level. So these skills need to be brought before.
The hidden agenda of it is, they remember this for life. Why? Because it has touched their heart. And that is why we call ourselves leaders in personal development and emotion management.
तुषार गुहा जो हैं वो he is not only the mentor or trainer, he is a I feel that he is a giving you जैसे एक मार्गदर्शक होते हैं कि he can give you guidelines, and mainly he works not as a corporate trainer when he started with us, but he is like a part of family of Viraj family, and he knows the soul of our company now. So उसके reason से क्या होता है कि when he connects with the people, it's a different connect than any other trainer.
And then he used to write. You see, as we grow up, he's showing books and things like he turned it into book. I said, "Kab kiya bhai?"
So the first book came in after the conference because Kumud Bansal madam told me, no, you have to put it down. Okay, so those things were put up. That was my thesis.
So that became the first book that was published in 1996, which was recognized officially as the approved reference book by the government of Maharashtra. That is Perceptions of Personality. It was written in Hindi, English, Marathi.
And the then Secretary of Education, late Mrs. Kumud Bansal, she has been a tremendous force in making the book happen, in making personality development happen as a part of the syllabus of all SSC schools in Maharashtra. That's the state board in 9th and 10th standard. And I think that has been a brilliant achievement.
And the book comprised of how to develop a personality for children. It was at that stage where the children are confused and they have no idea as to how they want to develop themselves physically, emotionally. So the book gave all the elements, right from the challenges of adolescence to time management to entrepreneurship. So it comprised of everything that develops the personality of a student.
People have finally realized that personality development does not restrict yourself to outside but also inside, and this program is required.
Now, I had written a lot of quotes, there are some 52 or 56 quotes, which my students had used as danglers during the first book when it was released by Mrs. Kumud Bansal at Ambassador Hotel, Mumbai. When she saw that, she says, I think this also needs to be compiled. So that's how quote unquote came in, where I wrote down each quote, what is the detailed explanation of it. So that book was also published. In the meantime, the newspapers, I do not know why they started coming to interview me, were asking for my articles, and I started writing and I started getting published. Then Maharashtra Times, the Marathi newspaper, they asked me to write every week, I think so Tuesday or Wednesday, there'll be a column called Second Thought under Pragati Fast. Then later on, Girish Dalvi, who is our presently Director of Operations and Trustee, but he's my student, he's everything to me. So he insisted that I should write about my life, the experiences. That's how reality living came in, and my daughter Anonna Guha, she saw to it, and then Mrs. Rajeshri Birla wrote the foreword. It is again because of my daughter Anonna that I wrote people management, because she started saying that all that you have must be compiled, Baba. I was blessed. Shri Basant Kumar Birla ji, who is still alive, and his wife, Auntie Sarla Birla Madam, she expired last year, September. They wrote the blessings for me, and so that book also got published.
Now we have Information Services Department, so we call it NIS.
So the Nrityanjali Information Services Division, that is basically maintains all the archives of the institute. So right from 1963, whatever we have been doing in terms of newspaper cuttings or photographs or certain write-ups or videos or sound bites, these are all maintained.
It's been like 1965. We don't have records beyond that, before that, but we have records from 1969. Together with this, we have an in-house magazine, Parichay Mein Parichay, which is a quarterly magazine.
I am working as an editor of the in-house magazine of Nrityanjali, that is Parichay Mein Parichay.
So that is basically an initiative where the articles are written by the members. Then, there are interviews of members who have achieved things in life, their own thoughts, processes. That is a part of the magazine.
Basically, those who are faculty or who are joined or associated with Nrityanjali, their articles are printed in that magazine.
And that magazine, we have it in Hindi, English and Marathi, because there are several even songs and things which Dr. Guha has penned himself. The music composition is by himself. The dance drama, the script is by him. So those are all maintained by Nrityanjali Information Services Division.
ওই যে কত দূরে আসবে না সে কোনো দিনও আসবে না সে ফিরে ছোট্ট থেকে মন দিয়েছি প্রাণ দিয়েছি তারে বোঝেনি সে কোনো দিনও চেনেনি সে মোরে
कई तो ये ऐसा है कि अभी तक दिमाग से नहीं गया है, कुछ कुछ गाने उनके लिखे हुए। तो जो डांस ड्रामा था इसका शेर का, उसका गाना बड़ा अच्छा कॉमेडी उन्होंने बनाया था। चले एक शेर खजूर खाने, उस खजूर बड़े प्यारे थे, अफसोस है खजूर खाते समय उसके नाक में कांटा चुभ गया.
In performing arts, like I said, through the rhythm and the music, he's developed a meditation which is called Sangeetmay Dhyan Chintan, which actually helps to calm the mind, which actually helps to, generate the power within. Because the way he has interpreted his meditation and the shlokas, there's a beautiful shloka of Narayani Namastate, and where he's interpreted Narayan as a Sandhi. Nar is the human being and Ayan is the mirror. And that when I'm doing Narayani Namastate, I'm bowing down to my own soul, because the mirror of the human being is the soul. And this is across all religions.
Narayani Namastute, Narayani Namastute, Narayani Namastute, Narayani Namastute.
So this meditation aspect has been something which has touched the lives of a lot of people and has helped them to look at their life in a different perspective, get out of the pain and the sorrow that they have.
Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Narayanaya. I'm able to sense, while I chant the slokas and look at them, I'm able to sense who is having the pain, who is feeling disturbed, so I start doing the healing process. Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Narayanaya.
I have seen Nrityanjali provides that environment where people heal. This music, this dance, this drama, this Sunday class is healing.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
It's very spiritual, it's adhyatmic, it's not religion. It's just that compassion goes beyond.
2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So this compassion or the spirituality that, it is very visible on him, and there's a lot of aura about him which whenever he speaks, whenever he does things, people are just attracted.
Atma can become Paramatma. That's why Atma is part of Paramatma. So he says that, look, don't be a follower, don't just follow me. Have the ability to take this ideology forward, sync it with what you believe in, and be a change leader.
तो मेरे उस लेख का उल्लेख कर रहा हूं अभी मैं कि प्रश्न उठता है, मानव क्या है, मानवता क्या है, आत्मा क्या है, आत्मता क्या है, रिश्ता क्या है, रिश्ते नाते क्या है. आज इन सब का अंत मुझ में है. मैं ही केवल मैं हो सकते हूं. मैं ही मानव और मानवता हूं. आत्मता भी मैं, रिश्ता और रिश्ते नाते भी मैं.
Then we have the social activities division, which has always remained the mainstay of Nrityanjali. We do a lot of work for orphanages, for old age homes, for cancer patients, for women taxi drivers, for the children of BMC schools or the underprivileged children. It's a very simple thing that performing is one part. We spend time with them because one can always buy a lot of luxury with money. But where is the time spending that we are doing? How do we deal with the loneliness?
और अपने फ्रेंड्स को बुलाता है और चढ़ के फिर माखन निकालता है और फिर खाता है, क्योंकि चोरी करके खाने का मजा अलग है. कुछ भी बोलो, मतलब ऐसा कोई दे दे तो अलग, और चोरी करके वही बिस्किट निकाल के खाओ बहुत अलग लगता है. उनके अंदर की जितनी भी गलत चीजें होती है वो कृष्णा खुद ले लेते हैं अपने आप में, और पूतना का दहन हो जाता है.
Keşava
For example, when we go to old age homes, when we are supposed to perform at 5 in the evening, so people are waiting there from 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So these are some things that we just take our own sound, we take our costumes and we perform the way we would be performing on stage, like a proper professional show. Then we chat with them as well. And they're waiting there in the old age homes from 2 o'clock onwards because they have the money, so they're staying there. But there is no sort of joy. There is a difference between existing and there is a difference between existing and living. So this social activities division of Nrityanjali takes care of the various work that we do with children. Nrityanjali Fest is also a part inter-school competitions to develop confidence in children. And at the same time, while today people talk about why a competition, it gives a feeling of sort of disparity maybe. But in this, each child who comes is awarded a certificate of appreciation. And also we tell them that it's not only important to win, but it's important to lose gracefully.
हमारी एक एक्टिविटी होती थी जहाँ पे इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन्स हम लोग करते हैं, फेस्ट उसको बोलते थे. ये बहुत छोटी तरह से हमने शुरू की थी, लेकिन इसको अभी ये बहुत ही बड़े लेवल पे होती है, जिसमें हम लोग के 4 अलग अलग जोन में ये होता है. नवी मुंबई जोन, साउथ मुंबई जोन, वेस्टर्न जोन, सेंट्रल जोन, ऐसे करके.
Srimati Sarla Birla was the chief guest at the first prize distribution of the fest in 1987-88.
You have already seen the PowerPoint. So in the year 1987, the fest had commenced, and we had only 400 children then. And I feel so nice. Last year it was 77,000. This year it is 2,17,000 children from 750 schools.
Then we started with inter-school competition. I remember that this was one of the milestones for Nrityanjali when Nrityanjali became 25 years old, because this was a direct connect with people. We started with targeting or reaching out. Targeting is a very corporate word, but reaching out to more than 1,000 students and parents, and now it has gone into lakhs.
We are going to the school called Nasirman Urdu School. It is a minority community school and it's primarily for girls. Actually, देखा जाए BMC के जो schools होते हैं, that is up to 7th standard. So these girls after 7th standard have nowhere to go. So this organization have started secondary schools. So it's a very poor school for not only the minorities but also for the downtrodden. But it's a very, very good school because the management is very committed. So me and Nrityanjali say we usually go to such schools where we work for these girls, unke life skills programs, that is quality of life, all-round development, personality development. ये सब के बारे में हम लोग उनके लिए छोटे-छोटे sessions लेते रहते हैं. There's a lot of interactive sessions.
नित्यांजलि मैंने एक ओपन फोरम जो होता है नित्यांजलि का, वो मैंने अटेंड किया था SM शेट्टी स्कूल में, जहाँ पे सीमा सबलोक मैडम की स्कूल है. वहाँ पे मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम डॉक्टर तुषार गुहा से और गिरीश दलवी सर से मिली थी. मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा इन लोगों से मुतासिर हुई थी उस वक्त. तो मैंने मैडम को कॉल किया था और मैंने कहा था कि सर का मुझे एक पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट का क्लास जो है मेरे स्कूल में लगाना है, कि आप मुझे इसमें हेल्प कर सकती हैं. उस वक्त मुझे नहीं पता था कि सर का वो 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को देना मेरे लिए इतना ज़्यादा असरअंदाज होगा. लास्ट ईयर जब सर हमारे वहाँ पे आए थे, उन्होंने एक पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की और किस तरीके से पढ़ाई की जा सके, लास्ट मोमेंट फियर, एग्ज़ाम का लास्ट मोमेंट फियर क्या होता है, उसके ऊपर कैसे काबू करना या उसको कैसे हम लोग ने कम करना, इस पर सर ने एक 1.5 घंटे का सेशन लिया था जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल रहा.
मैं समय के साथ साथ बदलाव ला सकता हूँ क्या हर छोटी छोटी चीज़ में खाली मुंह लटकाता रहता हूँ.
तो बदलाव के साथ साथ जो प्रगति जिसका नहीं होता है ना, उसको सफलता नहीं मिल सकती। अपना काम खुद करो, अपने जूता को पॉलिश करो, अपने कपड़े
और सच में मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करूंगी नित्यांजलि का, डॉक्टर तुषार गुहा का। और इस साल भी मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरे बच्चों को ये आएँ और वापस से जो है उनको थोड़ी सी रहनुमाई करें। जैसे हम लोग एक पत्थर को तराशते हैं, जब तक पत्थर तराशा नहीं जाएगा तो वो पत्थर ही रहता है, तराश दो तो वो हीरा और मंदिर में बैठने वाला एक भगवान बन जाता है। वही काम जो है तुषार गुहा जी कर रहे हैं और बहुत बखूबी कर रहे हैं।
किसी ने लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, वो आज क्या कहेगा, कौन करके दिखाएगा? आ जाओ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 हंसी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
एसएससी बोर्ड में पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट ये एक अलग सब्जेक्ट शुरुआत किया है, तो जिसके लिए हमने डॉक्टर तुषार गुहा जी इनको पहले अप्रोच किया था। हमने 4 साल पहले डॉक्टर तुषार गुहा जी को यहाँ पर बुलाया था फॉर टीचर्स का स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट और टाइम मैनेजमेंट के लिए, क्योंकि जब हम ऐसे बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं तो शिक्षकों को भी पेशेंस में रहना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है और इसके लिए कोई ना कोई मार्गदर्शन या एज अ रोल मॉडल हमारे लिए भी ऐसे चाहिए, जिसका गाइडेंस हमें डॉक्टर तुषार गुहा जी से बहुत बार मिल चुका है और हम आगे भी ऐसा ही चाहते हैं कि ऐसा ही गाइडेंस हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी मिलता रहे।
अब ये व्यक्तिमत्व विकास क्या होता है? इसमें शरीर है, मन है, बुद्धि है, ये सब तो है, लेकिन परस्पर संवाद है, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स हैं, ऐसे करके हाथ पकड़ने का, आंखों में आंखें डाल के देखने का। हाँ, तो आंख ऐसा नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं होने का, खाली बिना ऐसे करके देखते रहो। कितनी देर तक देख सकते हो? अब दोनों करो। इनके प्रति मुझे श्रद्धा होना चाहिए, इनको मानना चाहिए, घर पे डैडी मम्मी को भी मानना चाहिए, भाई बहन को, तो बड़ों को मानना चाहिए। ऐसे इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि बड़ों को हम प्रश्न नहीं पूछेंगे, प्रश्न पूछेंगे, लेकिन प्रश्न पूछने का तरीका होना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते, ऐसा करके नहीं पूछ सकते। अतः अपने परिवार के प्रति गर्व होना चाहिए। हम फिर गर्व किसके लिए होना चाहिए? ये पाठशाला के प्रति गर्व होना चाहिए। रोची राम था
अभी स्टूडेंट जो है एकदम रिदम से चलना उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है, पैर फिसल फिसल के नहीं चलते हैं वो, ये एक बात है। और दूसरा, कभी भी उनको हायर अथॉरिटीज़ के साथ कुछ भी बात करनी हो तो वो पहले परमिशन लेंगे। परमिशन लेने के बाद उनकी जो बोलने की स्टाइल है या सवाल करने की, पूछने की जो स्टाइल है, उसमें मैं बहुत फ़र्क महसूस कर रही हूँ। तो मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि जो बच्चे ऐसे दबे दबे से, सहमे सहमे से थे, वो भी थोड़े ओपन हुए हैं और जो बात उनको करनी होती है वो अच्छे तरीके से, अच्छे ढंग से वो कर सकते हैं।
Annual General Meet, that's a much awaited event now. Earlier it was on a very small scale, so we used to have it in auditorium of a school or in the classroom of a school, where it there was sharing of what are the activities that has happened over the past year.
क्योंकि हमारे पास 402 बच्चे हैं, बच्चे मतलब आर्टिस्ट हैं, प्लस हम सबको पकड़ के हम लोग 454 हो जाते हैं। तो क्या होगा, हम लोग सब सारे आपको पहुँच रहे हैं। Now all of you have to be at 8:30 because children will start coming at 9 o'clock. Then it is utter chaos.
So as Nrityanjali has grown, the number of student base has also grown. So gradually it became a forum for students to perform and get a stage to perform. Earlier, students would perform, it was at a smaller level, students would perform every alternate years, Then parents started requesting us, why don't they perform every year? Because this is sort of getting a stage to do this. So now it's become a mammoth task. It's a huge team of people. In fact, this time when we were doing it, we were so full that we actually, first time in the history, our students could not watch all the cultural programs.
क्योंकि बच्चों को जब तक स्टेज पे नहीं जाते हैं तब तक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होना बहुत मुश्किल है। सबके साथ जब क्लास में करते हैं तो थोड़ा एक होमली ये हो जाता है, जब स्टेज पे जाते हैं तो लोग इतने सारे देखते हैं तो वो फ़र्क पड़ता है बच्चों पर। इसके लिए हम लोग एक शो हर जुलाई मंथ में करते हैं जो हमारा एनुअल शो है।
I wrote the constitution when I was 15 years old. So उसी में मैंने प्रोवाइड किया था कि एनुअल जनरल मीट होना चाहिए। टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, इन द बिगिनिंग खाली 20 जन होते थे ना, और अब पता है कि 2000 के ऊपर लोग होते हैं एजीएम में।
Every year it's like coming together to celebrate mainly the foundation day of our organization, and also to enjoy through performances of our institution and share what we have done in the whole year.
तो हम क्या एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, हर पेरेंट्स जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको जानने के अधिकार है। हमारी सोच क्या है उनको जानने के अधिकार है। वी डोंट हैव अ पीटीए, वी कैन नॉट हैव, बट एवरी फरवरी मंथ पे पेरेंट्स को बुलाया जाता है, ग्रुप वाइज पेरेंट्स को मिला जाता है। आज हमारे पास 400 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो 400 पेरेंट्स को हमारे टीचर्स एंड जो उनके हेड्स हैं दे पर्टिकुलरली मीट, वी इंटरेक्ट, सो दे लव अस लाइक एनीथिंग।
So the cultural program is one aspect where all our dance, music, drama students, they perform on stage. But more importantly, this is also an occasion where each division reads out their reports of what has happened over the year and what do they plan to do for the next year. So it's very, very transparent.
The key role of the team will include providing support to ongoing events of Nrityanjali and also to provide our expertise in event management to various other institutions and organizations which will help us generate funds for our social work.
Personality development की training दी गई to the students of 8, 9, 10 standard for Neri School, Vihigar School, Panvel, Janata Vidyalay, Vikhroli, Keni Vidyalay, Bhandup. Printers and scanners भी प्रदान किए गए केनी विद्यालय भांडुप में, यूनिफॉर्म्स भी दिए गए केनी विद्यालय में और जनता विद्यालय में, all with the support of Nrityanjali of course and National Oil Well Varco Limited. आज का कार्यक्रम प्रतीक गुरु पूर्णिमा का भी है and 19th is also Nrityanjali's Foundation Day. See, this is an offering to your guru. See, I keep him as my guru
लाइक अगर हम ये कहें गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. This is my offering to my guru. His institution's name is Nrityanjali. Nrityanjali Institute of Dance, Drama, Personality Development and Management Studies. He's a good manager. So he himself is one whole institution. And I think if it is an institution, I have to present it to the world.
He seems to be in one word to be defined as path. मैं तुषार गुहा जी की तस्बीह जो है एक क्षमा से करूँगी.
As far as I'm concerned, is love.
He is a guru.
Godfather.
कोई family जैसे sir. A fascinating personality.
I think he has the best qualities of a human being.
कि अब दिवाली बनाने का दस्तूर बदलना होगा, दिया जलाकर नहीं खुद दिया बनकर चलना होगा. Like that, sir is वो दिया है.
See, he's a complete personality in total.
It's not possible only.
All in one.
He is the best guide and best philosopher. Godfather.
I would like to call him a divine thinker.
A multifaceted personality, eminent, intelligent.
He is a god.
Very intelligent.
Complete person for us.
हाँ, मेरे लिए तो सब कुछ है.
Multifaceted personality.
Dynamic personality.
सबके लिए अलग अलग है.
शुरुआत के संघर्ष के दिनों में जिन लोगों का आशीर्वाद मिलता है वो बहुत जीवन में बड़ा होता है. तुषारदा का वही आशीर्वाद मुझे मिला उस वक्त.
3 words. Good human being.
गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग.
ये मेरा मतलब सौभाग्य है कि मैं बाबा आमटे को मैंने देखा और उसी सूची में एक और आज नाम जुड़ गया है और वो है श्री तुषार गुहा जी का.
He always talks about me as a daughter, you know, and we feel that close to him.
To me, he was literally like a mother. I mean, when I call a man a mother, it was a motherly instinct or the motherly, the maternal way that he looked after me.
Genius. Another single word, a giver. He's only learned to give. You can call him 2 Gs. Genius and giver. That's how I would look at him.
And generations must follow him. That's what came into my mind and saw this production.
So that was a big achievement. So yes, Nrityanjali is growing and will go from city to state to nation to being international.
So this team has become so beautiful, and plus there are other people.
Because he has always been of the opinion that if the work stops with him and dies with him, then it's just the end. Then what is the point of spending those 53 years or 54 years that we have in building? So as much as he says that he has built Nrityanjali, Nrityanjali has also built him.
So there are a lot more things to be done. He has just sown the seeds and he's watering it, nurturing it. It has just come out of the ground, looking around. Now it has to grow in a tree. So it's just that age.
ये वो जगह है जहाँ पहले हम कामगर बनते हैं, कारीगरी सीखते हैं और हर कोई अपने अपने जगह आखिर में सर हमको कलाकार बना ही देते हैं. So this is how Dr. Guha Nrityanjali is all about.
It's commendable that he has built up an institution where there's a second line, third line, fourth line of people who are going to be able to run this even 20 years hence. And that I believe is the brilliance of the vision that he's had, because he's always had a very futuristic perception in life.
Like I have a dance drama called Kuhukini, where it says, Dhindina ke gaon mein Dhindina ke log सोचते हैं दिन दिना, बोलते हैं दिन दिना, खाते हैं दिन दिना, सोते हैं दिन दिना. That's what is me. Like Nrityanjali, Nrityanjali, Nrityanjali.